हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द वीकली एनालिसिस वीडियो। दिस इज सागर बट इस वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम निफ्टी 20 म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड बहुत ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस टिल दैट एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो बाय एनालाइजिंग निफ्टी। तो आप निफ्टी का चार्ट देख सकते हो एंड एज यू कैन सी निफ्टी अभी तक 100 मूविंग एवरेज पे नहीं आया। इंस्टेड इट्स ट्राइंग टू टेक सपोर्ट एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम दिस लेवल इटसेल्फ, राइट। एंड यहाँ पे इट्स ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग अ ट्वीजर बॉटम। तो अगर आप हिस्ट्री देखते हो, सो यू कैन सी हियर निफ्टी फॉर्म्ड अ हैमर एंड देन for 2-3 weeks there was bullishness, and here nifty formed bullish engulfing and then again it went up, and here it's forming a tweezer bottom. So this might be a potential sign of reversal, right? nifty यहाँ से ऊपर जा सकता है, but again अगर nifty 100 moving average पे ये बनाता then that would have been more convincing. So this is the analysis of nifty. अब ये था nifty के ऊपर analysis, but now let's go on to a sector that looks very interesting, which is the IT sector. तो आप देख सकते हो फाइनली IT sector has approached its 100 moving average and as of now IT sector is down by 27%. And अगर आप past analysis करते हो, you can see in 2020 crash IT sector was down by I believe 30%. So आप देख सकते हो IT sector was down by around 33%, and before that in 2017 IT sector was down by almost 27%. Exactly how much it has gone now. So if you see the past, आप देख सकते हो IT sector has always given very good dips and then recovered from there, and that is why I believe this is a very good entry point in IT sector. But now the question comes, how can we actually invest in IT sector? Well, there is something called ITBs. आप Zerodha पे जाओ and ITBs सर्च करो, आपको मिल जाएगा। ITBs is nothing but a replication of the IT index, right? आप यहाँ पे options trade या short term trading नहीं कर सकते, but you can actually invest for long term. So I believe ITBs is a very good option now. The price of ITBs आप देख सकते हो is around 29 rupees for one quantity, right? अब I am planning to enter around 30 or 50k. So let's see that. And अभी एक और question आएगा, why not put in mutual funds? Well, let me do the comparison. Okay, so here I am taking comparison of ICICI Prudential Tech Mutual Fund. ये एक बहुत famous mutual fund है, right? Because you can see 3 years average is 32% return. एंड अगर आप इस म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल रहे हो, वन थिंग विच आई कंसिडर इज बैड इज, आप देख सकते हो दिस म्यूचुअल फंड इज इन्वेस्टिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट 38 स्टॉक्स। तो अगर आप इस म्यूचुअल फंड को खरीद रहे हो देन यू विल बी पुटिंग योर मनी इन 38 स्टॉक्स, सो दैट इज ओवर डाइवर्सिफिकेशन। बट इफ यू सी निफ्टी IT सेक्टर, राइट, द निफ्टी ITBs दैट वी आर गोइंग टू पुट मनी इन, आप देख सकते हो दिस IT इज इन्वेस्टिंग ओनली इन 10 कंपनीज, राइट। सो दीज आर द 8 कंपनीज एंड the rest 2 companies. So totally आप सिर्फ 10 companies में डाल रहे हो. So the diversification is also good, but not over diversification like how it's done in mutual fund. That is the reason why I consider ITBs better than IT mutual funds. This was the first sector that looks interesting. The second sector that looks very strong at the moment is FMCG sector. आप देख सकते हो FMCG has been going up very strong from this bottom. So it made a bullish engulfing from the bottom, and then since then it's continuously going up, right? So FMCG is considered a fairly safe investment because FMCG sectors are never down. आप देख सकते हो in the last 20 years FMCG sector is only going up, right? It has never entered a downtrend. Even if it has gone down, majorly you can see it's only going up, right? So FMCG sector also looks interesting, and you can also consider some entries here. Now these were the 2 sectors that look interesting to trade. Now let's talk about 2 stocks that I am looking out to enter. First one is Pidilite Industries. तो last week भी मैंने Pidilite Industries को recommend किया था, right? And if you see Pidilite Industries, this stock is present exactly at its major 100 moving average, and आप देख सकते हो exactly from these levels there is a spike in buying volume, meaning big players are also observing this stock, and I am planning to enter at around 2100 levels. If I get the price, then that would be a very good price. My stop loss will be below these levels and my target will be the all-time high. So आप देख सकते हो risk reward is 1:5, so this is a pretty decent trade, right? And let's see how that goes. अब ये था first stock. Coming to the second stock that looks interesting, which is Marico. तो Marico को मैं long term से hold कर रहा हूँ, right? I entered exactly here also, and even now it looks very interesting. आप देख सकते हो exactly from the 50 moving average it has shown a very bullish sign. So I am expecting Marico to perform well in the coming weeks. अगर आप इस levels पे entry कर रहे हो then your stop loss can be below these levels and your minimum target can be the all-time highs. So these are the 2 stocks that are looking interesting, and mainly the IT sector is looking interesting than any other stock. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.